good, guys? Welcome back to Moving Minds with Money, and today we got a pretty interesting video for you guys. Before we dive into it, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more money making methods. Go and follow us on TikTok and Instagram. We will link it down below. And before we start into the video, we are busy building a full online money making course that is still in the developmental stage, but there are limited spots available. So if you want the keys to making money online, the in-depth analysis of how to do that, that course is going to give you that knowledge. We will be reserving certain spots, so if you want your spot reserved, comment down below, I'm in, and we will book your spot for you. And once that we will then add you to the Discord channel, and once the course is ready, we will add you to that course. So just comment down below, I'm ready or I'm in, and we'll get you sorted out. But today's topic is we're going to be showing you how to create a monetizable YouTube channel without showing your face on video. I know a lot of people are self-aware. A lot of people, not everyone is made for video. Let's just put it like that. But if you're not comfortable with showing your face, but you still want to run a YouTube channel that is monetizable, we got you. Check this out. So let's get a bit of context beforehand. So let's say you want to create a YouTube channel with soothing and calming music, background music that people study to, right? Now, first thing that you need to do is you come over to a website like epidemicsound.com. Now, Epidemic Sound provides unlimited access to royalty-free music, right? And there's a whole lot of genres for you guys to choose from. Like for example, it supports a whole lot of all the platforms: advertising, Instagram, forms, YouTube, which you're obviously going to be choosing. And they're offering a free trial also. If you want a special offer on Epidemic Sounds with all all the drip, all the extras, we have an offer for you down below. It is linked down below in the description. Go and check it out. But you do need Epidemic Sounds. It's a trusted source of royalty-free music that we've been using for a while now. Now, after you've chosen out of their catalog and you've downloaded the songs, like I did right here in my free section right here. So there, I've downloaded the song onto my PC, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to canva.com, which is a very fantastic graphic designing platform that we've also been using for a while now. Now, you must remember that certain features that I'm going to be showing here are only for the premium edition. We have a special offer on the premium edition in the description box down below to get you guys sorted out. 30-day free trial for you guys that we've organized. You can go and check it out. But Canva is something that you do indeed need in order to make this happen. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to come over, you want to create a design. Okay, you want to scroll down to, actually here, video, 1920 by 180 px, right? Pixels. Now, after you've chosen that option, you should get a window looking like this. Now, let's say we need to choose a background with, let's say, that has a calm music effect, right? So something like, let's say, ocean waves, okay? Ocean waves. All right, and these should be popping up in a second. Right, let's choose this one, right? So let's move this. We'll drag this over to here. Okay, so now what you've done is, okay, and we can obviously remove the text from this image. That's not going to work, right? Okay, did not mean to do that. Did not mean to. There we go. Okay, so just removing the text here, right, and this little line, right. So when you play this, you can see it's just going to be, ocean waves continuously going. So it's a perfect background for, look at that, perfect background for calming music that you can upload to YouTube, right? So what you want to do next is you want to choose your royalty-free music. These are just examples. You're going to drag that music onto this image, and what that'll do excuse me, what that'll do is it'll download onto your audio section in your upload section. So if you go to audio right here, you'll see there's my royalty-free music that I've downloaded. And now what you simply do is you click on this once and it'll add to your video, right? And you can obviously then you can adjust this so that it fits with the whole context of your, or fits with the length of your video. So if when you begin to play this, it's going to play the song in the background as well. So you see, guys, it's a very, very simple method. As long as you use royalty-free music to do this, there should be no problems for you guys. And you can download this image with the music in it. Well, download a video with music in it straight onto your computer, and you can upload it to YouTube. So it's a really, really effective way, I know. And the thing about it is, you can always add another background right here, right? And you can adjust the length of that background to make your video even longer. So if you need a 3-minute or 4-minute video, you can just continuously add tracks and videos to this and download it as one file. So it's a very simple method, guys. So after you've done this, you just head on over to your YouTube channel, Sam's Calming Sounds or Sam's Peaceful Sounds, something along those lines, and you upload your video. Now, in order for you to maximize the views on that video, I recommend an SEO tool, vidIQ. We've been using vidIQ for a few months now, and we've seen fantastic results. So it's an SEO tool that helps you with your tags, it helps you with your titles, and it helps you optimize your descriptions for maximum SEO optimization. Very fantastic tool. We're currently running a special on it that is available in the link in the description down below. So guys, easy little tutorial here that I've shown you guys. All that is basically left is the downloading part and the uploading part to YouTube, but that is something that you guys should understand, so I'm not going to be showing that today, but this is the main principle. And yeah, I really hope it helps you out. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more easy money making methods. I hope to see you in the next video.